Good morning everyone and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well. As always, I hope you had a nice weekend and I hope you're ready to crush the chart because yes, we already started this weekend with a really nice long trade on say, and we've got so many good trades really during the night. I didn't slept a lot, to be honest with you. Like maybe 3-4 hours, something like this. So no big sleep, but anyway, I'm still good today. Coffee is helping, of course. But anyway, so first of all, gonna check that the sound is working well. Yes, perfect. So for now, we got a nice swing through pound. Okay, if you want to stay updated really and get live updates on Bitcoin, well, yesterday you've got so many trades to take really. I gave all the plan, everything as always. You've got this nice long trade from the explaining the text I wrote before. You've got another short trade next, if I'm mistaken. You've got a short trade. You've got another long trade during the night. It was almost 5. It was 5 on day. Really late at night. But anyway, so we've got some really good scalp, and today, as I said, we have a small swing through the pound right now. So we've got this nice trade. A lot of shorts coming in next, so not the best for a continuation. So we'll see if we manage to get a continuation here or not. But in any case, we are in if you follow it, and so now we took profit one time. We have the stop loss entry. So now we don't care really. It's profit in any case. So first of all, let's go on the on this chart right here before to go on the waves. I just want to check if there is a new weekly level. No, we don't. So we don't care about this. We can come back here on the 4s, by the way. Come back here. And by the way, I forgot to load the weekly naked point of control here. So I'm gonna do this now. See if there is a new one. Okay, well, it's very close, so I don't like this so much, to be honest. 51.825.5. So let's show everything, bam, and we can add this. Gonna do it like that. And I forgot the price. I said 40 what? No, 51.825.5. It must be 52. No, what the fuck, it's 51? Oh yeah, but I'm stupid. Okay, yeah, no, it's normal. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. This is with a path control of the range. That's pretty nice. So now let's add this on the higher time frame chart here, and we can move this into the higher time frame key level, log this. Come back here and see if there are any new daily levels. I mean daily levels, all the update to all the levels to update on a daily basis. So there are no new naked session path control. Okay. TPO 51806. So let's take this TPO. Well, okay, this is clear enough, I think. We have a nice support around the sorry, around the weekly negative path control. So 51.813. Yips. It's almost the same. No, not the weekly. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna make it very simple, okay, not gonna make it too complex at all. I'm gonna make it really easy. What we'll have to do here is simply to trade this range, okay, we just have to do this. We just have to trade this range until it breaks. This is the only thing we have to do at the moment. Of course, within this range, we have some different targets to be aware of, you know, such as the ones I have shared on the Discord server during the weekend, so it was a bit above here. You've got 2 nice targets, it was before that, by the way. Here we've got this first target where we now got a retracement, so we just want to be above, got a nice retracement, took the highs once more and ended up with a swing through pan at the moment. So that's pretty cool. This is sort of the first target. The next target really within this range is simply, if we add all the levels here, we'll have a naked session path control against here. Okay, a naked session path control here plus really the top of the channel, and simply here this swing through the pan. This is simple as that really. Okay, that's the only target we have above, and of course if we break through we simply have to look for a swing through the pan or a failed auction. As always, for people that are maybe new and coming here in the live stream, by the way, welcome. And by the way, if you want to learn Elliott waves, there is a brand new Elliott wave course coming in March on the website. Half of the course, almost half of the course, will be for absolutely free. You can sign up for free. And so if you want to get the calendar, you just have to join the Discord server, go into the calendar channel here, and otherwise you can go in your account page and you will be able to find this nice calendar right here. These are some pictures. You can scroll like this on the right and left. And so you have, for example, here every Monday a course. You will get the 4 first courses for absolutely free, plus a Q&A on the previous course every Wednesday, and next a contest where you can win some rewards again for absolutely free. And then we continue everything until the 20th of May. So we have 10 courses. We start with 2 more contests, by the way, and next we continue with some live chartings, the third context, some guess the pan and everything until July really. So yeah, feel free to go and check this out. And on this being said, let's continue with this. So swing through the pan here, you just take the previous high really, come back down directly, and you close below the previous high. You just leave so the previous high with a wick. Okay, this is simple as that really, and you want simply to get the MC short reaction on the smaller time frame really, all of this to open the short trade. If there is no swing through the pan, we can simply look for a failed auction. So we can look in that case for a breakthrough really. We look in that case for some candle close above. We start, for example, getting either some big liquidation, follow it next in that case by an MC short reaction. Otherwise we look for some new trades opening, new longs. Okay, we don't want to see shorts here on that top, we want to get trap longs. And if we have these trap longs, well, we can simply look for absorption and next to reverse this already MC short reaction. Then we, in that case, bring this back down. If there is no swing through pan or failed auction, again, you can recognize this by reading the order flow. Okay, by reading this, you're able to recognize this. More likely as always, you are never 100% sure. This is something important to understand. But if there is none of this, well, we look simply for a breakout. Okay, and we simply look for the value high level minimum around 53,700. So this is a plan really to the upside. Okay, not gonna cover too high for the moment. It's not really useful. If you want to stay updated, join the Discord server. Otherwise, just go and check out on the website. You have an update in the member section, and you just have to go on a bit on the right, and you have this nice Bitcoin high time frame technical analysis, and you can find really everything you need for the targets above, the targets below on the high time frame, everything really. So now to the downside. First of all, we have this nice daily level, but again, I will not long up here to be fair, except for scalpers, but otherwise you don't really care about a swing long. So if I have to long, I'm gonna wait minimum for these lows here to be taken with the middle of the consolidation, the middle of the channel really, plus really the range path control, you know, with all the new weekly negative path control, daily negative path control, and the TPO. But all of this zone really, this will be my first zone for a long trade. If we manage to break through this, okay, to speak, we have no, in that case, good reaction on the order flow. Okay, there is no reason to long here. We're simply going to look in that case for the value low here, with a low right here for a possible swing through the pan as always, or a failed auction. Why this target? Simply because so we have some lows, we have the value low, but we also have here, I guess, the 618. Oh, maybe not. By the way, it's maybe a bit too low, a bit below here. Well, yeah, it's a lot below by the way, but yeah, still value low, swing through the pan here. It's still enough, okay, to look for a possible long, for a possible day trade where you do a flip to resistance and still come back down, but you still have a bit of a move to the upside. It can still give something, okay? And if we start to break through this, well, we can simply look for the 618, 6% really, with the old naked session path control level down to the bottom of the channel. And if we start breaking this, well, we're more likely going to go and make one more new low on Bitcoin. If we make one more new low, don't forget that there is a single print just below the low we have done. Okay, if you go there, well, let's go on this one here. It should be a bit better. But so just below the low here, it depends on the reaction we're going to get really, because of this right here. Okay, we do have, as you can see here, a single print. So as always, a single print is exactly the same as a gap, if you can say it. I mean the reaction really. Okay, so to speak, if we get acceptance here into the single print, so to speak, we get acceptance below the previous low, we're simply going to more likely fill the single print, and so to go to the bottom of it. So even if we get acceptance inside here and we get a long reaction, well, you wait for the bottom to be in the bottom of the single print to be touched, because as always there is a high probability of filling this single print. So do you bet on the low probabilities or the high probabilities? You bet on the high probabilities. Just so you're aware of that, it can in that case bring us with a quick move to the downside and no real long trade. Okay, and so if we start to fill the single print, we can simply look next in that case for the bottom of the single print, but the best will be to go really into the levels below, so to speak here, first the daily level. Okay, so if you break through, fill the fingerprint, we look for the daily level. So now we know if we break through, really, we know the targets to the downside, we know the target to the upside. So in any case, if we break up or down, we are ready and we know exactly where to look for a trade. All by, of course, looking for a swing through pan or a failed auction off the bottom. We already got a failed auction, as you can see on the low. We got, as you can see here, acceptance below. We flip into resistance and we come back down. We make one more new low here and we manage to reclaim, flip to support the target around there. You can see with the naked session path control, and here we go, come back up. So yeah, that's the plan. Not gonna make it more complex. 12 minutes, perfect. So now let's move on the waves. So on the waves, we've got, first of all here, I'm not going to repeat myself, on the context here. If you want to get all of this, you just have to go and watch really the latest video I have done on YouTube. Just have to go and check out. Here's a crash on the way. Well, not necessarily a crash, but clickbait a bit. But anyway, so just go and check out this. Really, you're going to understand what you have to look for step by step, really, on the medium time frame. More going to stay here on the lower time frame at the moment to show you what we can look for really within this range. Okay, so first of all, we've got here a nice double EXY to the downside. Why? Simply because we have a triple wave, a triple wave, a triple wave. So it's either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a leading. Okay, so to speak here, a wave 1 with an ABC zigzag, but we don't have an ABC zigzag. That's why I prefer the double EXY here. A wave 2, 3, 4, 5. But I mean, I don't like the smaller wave. Normally in the wave 1, 3, and 5 next, you should get an ABC zigzag. First, you have a double EXY, so for me, it's not valid. So that's why I place here a double EXY. Then what do we have to the upside? We have more likely a 5 waves. Okay, a really weird 5 waves again. But these days, wave these days is really crazy, to be fair. We start some wave 1 with some triple wave. I mean, this is what the fuck, really, what's going on? But anyway, we're going to deal with it, really. We don't have the choice, really. So, well, 5 waves impulsive here, weird ones, but I will take them. Then we'll have a triangle, a running triangle here, simply because the B wave break the A wave route. As always, this is possible if you're in a running triangle. So running triangle here, you can see, for a triangle to be valid, it's well, for me, it's a must to follow on the RSI. So you can see we'll have this nice A, B. The B can go above as this is a running triangle, but if you're on a bigger time frame, well, it's not really valid on that one, to be honest. This one is better. A, B, C, D, E. You have this nice triangle here. A, B, C, D, E. Everything is following here. We do not break the previous bottom. It's forming a triangle really on the RSI. So for me, this is a triangle. So in that case, A wave, B wave. By the way, it's not here. I don't know why you placed this here, but anyway. B wave here, and then we'll have, so either a wave C, either a wave impulsive to the upside for a wave 3, really, because as always, if you start something with 5 waves, it's either an impulsive, either an ABC zigzag. Only time can tell. That's a bit of a problem, but yeah, it's like that, so we have to deal with it. So the thing is, now we have to get 5 waves into the C in any case. So now what we have more likely for the moment, so possibly some 5 waves completed. Okay, so because the C can be done here, but we took the highs once more, so it can be an ABC flat to start something bigger next to the downside. Something again, we're in a range, so it's really complex. Okay, but now you have the context. Maybe not going to cover. Yeah, you have the context now. Okay, you have the first wave, the second wave here to the upside, the 2 different possibilities to the upside, either an ABC zigzag, so correction to come down, either an impulsive to the upside. It depends really how far we go to the upside. Most important is we have a correction and possibly a correction or an impulsive to the upside. So if we have, let's take the case here that we have an ABC zigzag. If we have so a correction and a correction, what we can look for here? We can simply look for a bigger triple wave. Okay, we can simply look for the blue wave here, either an ABC flat, either double EXY. Okay, double EXY, as always, for me still, it's possible we break the W root now, but I'm still going to look for an ABC flat if we break the top right here. So first of all, we can look for a double EXY. Okay, so maybe one more push to the upside to form an ending here into the C, for example, here from a wedge to the upside. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just stop the shorts here. The few millions we've got opening before right here. So you've got, as you can see, like 5 million plus 2 here. Okay, you can see here the increasing of the open interest, the blue bars here, plus a negative delta. It means that there are new market order shorts coming in. So it's quite big, not gonna lie. And so yeah, that can bring us with a new high here to stop these shorts. And once you have done this, get a nice move to the downside, for the Y wave. Okay, so we'll bring us with such WXY. Okay, so a bigger correction really, either, you know, for the bigger wave 1 2 into the red wave 5, so bigger wave 1 2, but normally it's not valid anymore on the RSI, so I'm a bit careful with this. And otherwise, you know, bigger yellow wave 4, but you go and check out the video to understand the context really. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. And if, so as I said, the X wave break the W root, well, I'm simply going to still not forget this one, because these days we can do a double XY whereas the X wave breaks the W root, but I'm more going to take an ABC flat, so to speak here, a correction, 5 waves really. Okay, so correction, 5 waves. Now the thing is, these are the targets of the B wave. Okay, so I have first of all the 90%, but I'm going to take an X wave. As you understood, if we don't break the W root here in the top there, if we break through it, I'm looking for an ABC flat. So if I have to do an ABC flat, you know, it's what I said before, we just have to trade the range until it breaks. So we can look here, for example, for a swing failure pan or a failed auction. Simple as that really. They'll bring us with this nice target above. If now we start getting some kind of close above here, the 1.23, 1.27, for me it is not valid anymore, and what I'm going to take here is simply the green impulsive. Okay, so not anymore an ABC zigzag A, B, C to make an X wave or to complete a B here, but I'm going to simply remove this ABC zigzag and take the impulsive to the upside. Simple as that really. Okay, so I hope this is not too complex to understand. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Okay, I'm here to answer your questions, so feel free. And if you don't have any questions, well, we're good for today really. Okay. Just gonna take profit, just 2 seconds, gonna take profit on my short because we've got some few good bullish reaction here. Close short, perfect, nice. And by the way, the bottom here was to the dollar, the MC traded target. This is absolutely crazy. Look at this. You've got, so the first one you got stopped out, and then the second one, but I mean, we have done a 3% move to the upside. Well, this is not crazy, but I mean, for a weekend, this is still really nice. Not gonna lie, you've got some really good price action during the weekend, and so you refund the loss really from before. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, to the dollar. I don't know if I have the screenshot here of the entry. Yeah, you can see here 56.29. Well, 56.29. This was the exact bottom. As always, we placed limit on this, so that's pretty cool. Sorry. So yeah, I don't see any questions right now. Say you have a possible ABC zigzag or impulsive to the upside. Okay, if you was following during the weekend, we've got a nice long trade on say. Here it was for the wave 4 before to look for the wave 5, so we've got a target here with the 38.2 down to the 50%, and so we've got this nice really good rise, not gonna lie. Got a really good rise. We went into our first target. Okay, what was the first target here? Went into our first target, and we've got this nice reversal next from the target really, so that's pretty cool. We've got a nice, and I don't know, I didn't take probably one hit, and I posted this into the profit section next here, close long. This is really nice. And so now we have either, you know, a bigger impulsive to the upside into the pink wave 5, as I said. So if you want to, all of these, by the way, all of these trades are absolutely free. So if you want to get some nice trade like this, well, feel free to join. And as I like to say, just join and enjoy. That's it, really. So now we have, you know, either a bigger impulsive into the wave 5, either the bigger red wave 4 already. Depends really if we're going to do something super bullish or not. And only time can tell, so we have to bet on both configurations. Simple, simple, simple. All by, of course, not forgetting really the risk management. And so yeah, on the lower time frame, we'll have this nice ABC zigzag, okay, or impulsive to the upside. But the thing is, be careful, because this ABC zigzag now, as you can see on the RSI, we do not take the high here on the real chart, but we go above here on the RSI. So if you took the long here, maybe take profit here. Can be a good idea. Well, the chart is really fucking on the. Is there any? Oof, no. So So yeah, anyway, that was say really. Just wanted to talk about this really quickly. And so I don't see any questions, so I think we're good. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you had a nice weekend and you're ready to crush the charts, as I said. And yeah, take care of you. Have a nice week ahead, really. Good luck in your trades if you want to follow on the Discord server. Don't forget that there is a brand new Elliott Wave course coming in March. You can find a calendar on the website and on the Discord, so you just have to sign up for free, really, and you will get half of the course, a bit less, for absolutely free, plus a free contest where you can get some rewards. Anyway, I wish you a brilliant day, take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.